Welcome to Best Choice. The best powered scrub brush is probably one of the most versatile and time-saving cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, effortlessly tackling tough grime, soap scum, and baked-on messes on a variety of surfaces from your kitchen countertops and bathroom tiles to grout lines and even outdoor patio furniture, making deep cleaning less of a chore and more of a breeze. Number 5. Drillbrush Power Scrubber Brush Kit. Tired of scrubbing by hand? Transform your drill into a powerful scrubber that cuts cleaning time in half. They're easy to use and install quickly, perfect for everyone. These brushes power through tough grime on tubs, tiles, and more without scratching surfaces. Get a sparkling clean in your bathroom, kitchen, or garage. Each scrub brush is built for longevity, crafted from durable materials. They are made to last through countless tough cleaning sessions, no matter the job. Cleanup is a breeze with these brushes. They rinse off easily after use, making post-job cleanup simple. Say goodbye to grimy sponges and hello to an easier solution. Born from a real need and refined through feedback, these products are made by cleaning enthusiasts for cleaning enthusiasts. Experience the difference with the inventor of drill attachment scrub brushes. With 3 different sizes and shapes, these attachments are perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. Use them as a grout brush, tile scrubber, or shower scrubber. What we like? This set transforms your drill into a cleaning powerhouse, cutting down your scrubbing time significantly. Its medium stiffness nylon bristles are tough on grime but gentle on surfaces. If you already own a cordless drill and want to tackle tough bathroom and kitchen messes with ease, this is the perfect attachment set for you. What people say. The brush heads are easy to change and the extension pole is very helpful for reaching high places. It has multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks and the battery life is surprisingly good. The motor is powerful enough to tackle tough grime and the waterproof design means I can use it safely in the shower. Number 4. IEZFIX Upgraded Electric Spin Scrubber. Tired of messy cords and heavy cleaning tools? Our upgraded scrubber is cordless and lightweight, making it easy to clean any surface without strain. Take the hassle out of cleaning and use it anywhere you need. This versatile scrubber comes with 4 interchangeable brush heads. Easily tackle bathtubs, sinks, floors, tiles, corners, and even delicate surfaces with the right attachment. Say goodbye to exhausting cleaning routines. This powerful scrubber cuts your cleaning time in half, effortlessly removing tough grime and scum. It's designed to protect your joints while delivering a spotless finish. Experience effortless cleaning with its ergonomic design. Spinning at up to 350 revolutions per minute, it provides powerful cleaning action to eliminate stubborn stains and dirt. Save your energy and time with every use. We ensure strict quality control before shipping. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated support team is ready to provide personalized assistance. Purchase with complete peace of mind. What we like? This all-in-one spin scrubber is designed for ultimate convenience, being both cordless and incredibly lightweight. With 4 distinct brush heads, it tackles a wide array of cleaning tasks from tubs to tight corners. If you're looking for a user-friendly, all-purpose solution to make cleaning less strenuous and save your knees and back, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The brush has multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks. It is very effective at removing tough grime and soap scum. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several cleaning sessions on a single charge. Number 3. 6-in-1 Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. Experience powerful cleaning without the noise. This device offers dual-speed rotations to tackle tough stains while operating quietly, ensuring a peaceful cleaning experience. Say goodbye to tangled cords. Enjoy the freedom to clean any corner of your home without limitations, moving effortlessly between rooms and even outdoor spaces. Reach every spot with ease. With 6 different brush heads, it adapts to various surfaces and tight spaces, making cleaning your entire home a breeze. Clean comfortably without straining. The adjustable long handle allows you to reach high and low areas without bending or kneeling, making it perfect for everyone. Designed for wet environments, this device is IPX7 waterproof. Its long-lasting battery provides ample power for a thorough deep clean on a single charge. Looking for a practical gift? This time-saving cleaning solution is ideal for busy families and makes a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like? This scrubber offers exceptional reach with its long, adjustable handle, making it ideal for cleaning high or low areas without strain. Its dual-speed functionality and IPX7 waterproof rating ensure effective and safe cleaning in wet environments. If you need to clean without bending or kneeling, or want a tool that can handle various surfaces and heights with ease, this is the one to consider. What people say. This brush is very easy to assemble and use. It has multiple brush heads that can be changed easily for different cleaning tasks. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several cleaning sessions on a single charge. Number 2. Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber. Are you tired of bending and kneeling to clean your home? Now, you can clean efficiently and relax with our electric cleaning brush. It's designed to help you finish chores easily and say goodbye to tedious cleaning. Choose the perfect cleaning speed for any mess. With 2 adjustable speeds, you can tackle everything from light dust to tough grime, saving you precious time and effort. Clean without the strain. Its adjustable handle extends to reach difficult spots, so you no longer need to bend or kneel. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver for comfortable, long cleaning sessions. This tool comes with 8 different brush heads to handle any cleaning task. Each one is designed to get into corners and effectively remove stubborn stains from various surfaces. Keep cleaning for up to 90 minutes on a single charge. The convenient battery display shows you the remaining power, and it recharges quickly via Type-C. What we like. With an impressive 8 brush heads, this scrubber offers unparalleled versatility for every cleaning challenge, from grout lines to wide floor areas. The retractable handle allows for comfortable cleaning at various heights, and the clear battery display ensures you're never caught off guard. If you want a comprehensive cleaning tool that adapts to numerous tasks and provides clear power status, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The brush heads are easy to swap out and the extension pole is a great feature for reaching high or low areas without bending over. It has multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks, and the battery life is surprisingly good, lasting through several cleaning sessions. The motor is powerful enough to tackle tough grime and soap scum, making cleaning much faster and less strenuous. Number 1. PUFTEM Cordless Electric Spin Scrubber. Are you tired of the aches and pains that come with traditional cleaning? Discover a better way to clean with our powerful electric spin scrubber. It's designed to save you time and energy, making cleaning feel effortless. Featuring an upgraded motor, this device cuts cleaning time significantly. With 2 adjustable speeds, it tackles everything from light dust to stubborn grime in minutes. You'll spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying life. Forget frequent recharges. This cleaning tool boasts a large battery capacity, offering up to 180 minutes of continuous use on a single 2.5-hour charge. The clear digital display lets you know exactly how much power is left, so you're never caught off guard. With 6 interchangeable heads, this scrubber is your all-in-one solution for every cleaning task. From bathrooms and kitchens to windows and even car wheels, it handles it all with ease. The heads are designed for secure and simple attachment. Its lightweight, cordless design ensures comfortable handling, even during long cleaning sessions. Plus, with an IPX7 waterproof rating, you can safely use it in wet environments and easily rinse it clean under running water. Give the gift of easier cleaning. This electric scrubber is a thoughtful present for friends and family, helping them save time and energy on their chores. What we like. This scrubber boasts an exceptionally long battery life and a clear digital display, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. It comes with 6 interchangeable heads to cover all your cleaning needs, from bathrooms to windows. If you prioritize extended use and want to easily monitor your battery status for deep cleaning or frequent use, this model offers great convenience and power. What people say. The brush heads are easy to change and the extension pole is a great feature for reaching high or low areas. It has multiple brush heads for different cleaning tasks, which is very convenient. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several cleaning sessions on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.